Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in Minnesota. And today I want to talk to you about digital decluttering. So oftentimes we are very focused on our house and what in our house needs decluttering. But sometimes there is something staring right at you in the face, and it is your own phone or computer. Oftentimes we just take pictures and screenshot like a million things that we never go back and look at. Maybe we download a bunch of files that we no longer need. Maybe the desktop on your computer is littered with files and things that you may not even be able to find what you need. Just like in your house, it is no different. So this week's tip, what I want you to do, go ahead and set yourself a timer for like 15 to 20 minutes on your phone. And take that time to go through photos, go through documents, and start deleting the things you no longer need. Same thing goes with your computer. I will say that you may want to do this for like a week long, so like 20 minutes each day. I know I personally had so many photos on my phone that to get through everything, or at least back, 7-8 years, it took me quite a few consecutive days. So just a little bit at a time, take that time, start paring down also with files, start putting things into folders. If this is a file you want to keep, where does it belong? Create that folder, put it in that folder. That way, later down the road, when you're searching for that document, you know exactly where it's going to be. So this week, I want you to focus internally on your phone and your computer and see how much of a declutter you can do digitally. So let me know how it goes, and if you get stuck, let me know in the comments. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.